Ever dreamed of creating invisible structures or invisible walls in your Minecraft worlds? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your hands on barrier blocks, the secret ingredient for all sorts of amazing creations. The first and most crucial step is to make sure you have the ability to use commands. This means you need to be in a world where cheats are enabled. If you're playing on a realm or a server not managed by you, you might need to ask an administrator for permission. If you're setting up a new world, you'll find the option to enable cheats right in the creation screen for an existing world. You can open the game menu, go to Open to LAN, and then select Allow Cheats. On this temporarily opens your world to local players with cheats enabled. Now, for the magic moment, you'll need to open your chat window. This is usually done by pressing the T key on your keyboard. In this chat window, we're going to carefully type in a specific command. This command involves giving yourself an item. You'll need to specify your player name, the item you want, and in this case, the quantity. The key here is knowing the exact name of the item you're trying to obtain. The command structure is quite simple. It starts with a slash, followed by the word give. Then, you type your player's name, followed by the item ID, which for these special blocks is Minecraft barrier because we want them. We'll specify a quantity, say, 64 blocks, which is a full inventory stack. Once you've confirmed and entered the command, hit enter, and just like that, you'll see them appear in your inventory. Look for the distinctive purple and black outline. That's your barrier block. These blocks are entirely invisible when placed in the world, but they have a solid hitbox. This means you can't walk through them, and mobs or players will interact with them as if they were made of solid rock. They are perfect for all sorts of builds, from invisible pathways and barriers to protect your creations, to intricate parkour courses where players have to guess where the next safe platform is. So go ahead, experiment with these amazing blocks, and let your creativity run wild. You now have the power to build the invisible.